Dr. Andrew Kolodny is an expert on the opioid crisis in the US. He's also the executive director of Physicians for Responsible Opioid Prescribing, an organization focused on reducing the impact of the overprescription of opioids.
Every year for more than 20 years, we've set a record for death from opioid overdose in the US, and then the next year we break that record. It just has kept getting worse.
The overprescription of medical opioids is exactly where its opioid addiction started.
The reason we saw this enormous increase in addiction and overdose deaths is because about 25 years ago, a campaign was launched in the US to change the way the medical community thought about prescription opioids. This multifaceted campaign, which resulted in doctors hearing from many different directions that we haven't prescribed enough opioids, that patients are suffering needlessly, that opioids are a gift from Mother Nature, and that real addiction to opioids is very rare, so that we should prescribe more. That was the campaign that changed prescribing practices. It was marketing and advertising disguised as education and advocacy. And behind all of this was a desire for profits by pharmaceutical companies.
And that's why one of the biggest battles in this opioid crisis is America versus Big Pharma.